Okay. What it do? 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 What's the word? What's the dealio? Um, so it's a little later than I usually do this, or that I've been doing this. Um, this is gonna be. I wanted to like. This morning I woke up. I was just like, I'm not in the mood. I just want to play the game and chill. So now, I'm kind of feeling a little bit more energized to do some coding. You know. So, uh, that's what I'm gonna do. Um, we're gonna do some more of my contact form. Uh, and then I don't know what I'll do after that. We'll see. I've been thinking about. I have this idea of making a social media feed page that everything can kind of. Um, oh yeah, let me turn the cam on. I'm kind of feeling the camera today. There you go. Um, oh, country select list. I also want to do that. Let me do that right now before I forget. I'm gonna do a. I forgot that I previously had this country select list on here. So let's see. We'll make it its own div underneath the telephone. Actually, yeah, let me make it a div. Put. Actually, no. Is it a select? No. It's not placeholder, is it? Placeholder. Not. Okay. And then, okay. Um, it's a label for country. Select option value. Okay, yeah. Does it have South Sudan on there? I think that's the newest country in the world, so as long as the list has South Sudan, which this one does not. When was this made? This was made in, wait, it should have South Sudan, but they didn't do it. They have Sudan, South Africa. I'm pretty sure, let me look that up. What is the world's newest country? South Sudan, I was right. Okay, so as long as a list has South Sudan, it's up to date. I guess. I mean, Could still be wrong. Here it is. This is the one I used before that has it. I'm using a different browser, so if anybody's here and is wondering why they can't see anything, it's because I'm using... Yep, okay. This one's good. ID, country name. So I don't think placeholder is even important, because this list has a ID. Country. Doesn't need a name, does it? I guess we can give it a name. Everything else does. Name. Okay, this will make the drop down menu. Okay. Um, what is that? What was I trying to do? I wanted to link this page. Okay. I want to link. Sorry, I wanted to link the contact form. Which we did this yesterday, but I didn't save that. So I'll copy. Okay, so when you open up, for example, when I choose to open up the index.html, I really need to fix this. This looks like shit. It's pissing me off. But if we use the menu and we go to contact, then it'll open up this page. So that's good. Why does it do that? Why does the text go beneath the footer? Maybe it's the margin. I don't know. Hey, Jesus, what's up, man? How you doing? Sorry, I didn't notice your. I hope you're still here. I didn't notice your message. Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm actually sorry. I found this guy's stream a couple days ago. Forgot his name. pretty cool dude. He actually making a really cool project like a Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Discord kind of type of thing. And I was just watching him. He was doing a lot of the back end database server whatnot, and I'm thinking about starting doing that. Like I said before, I'm only 2 months into this. Actually, I just my 2 month anniversary of coding 2 days ago, I think, or yesterday, I can't remember. But actually, no, it wasn't. I don't remember. I think it's next week. But either way, I'm still trying to find my niche, and that stuff looked pretty interesting, complex, but interesting. And my dad actually, he sets up his own servers and stuff. I just don't know. I don't think he does a lot of coding, so I don't know how he does it. He might use a service. Um, so I might get into something like that as well. We'll see. JavaScript is not it for me. It really isn't. I'm not enjoying it. I wasn't enjoying it. Um, so we'll see. I've been researching TypeScript and the differences, and I don't know if I'm just gonna like start learning that. Margin. Margin bottom. So, but yeah, I'm doing like research on other coding languages, and my plan is to keep doing some JavaScript or like frameworks and libraries. I think they're called frameworks, and then move on to like the more back end like database stuff, and that way I have kind of a general all-around understanding of all of it. Not all of it, but as far as kind of a basic understanding of front end, basic understanding of back end, and I can decide which one I want to lean more into. Okay, so that's that, and then we have tele, same thing, margin bottom 15 pixels. I would also help. It would also help if you set your editor up better and stuff, like prettier and ESLint. I've seen prettier. I don't even know. Isn't it just doesn't just make like, what does it do? "20 pixels is nice." Prettier is a formatter, so you don't have to worry about. I'll check those out. Maybe I'll check them out here in a moment. ID country, cool. Now my thing is, why isn't this? It is called tele, right? Oh, it's tel, not tele. Tel. I should do it. Okay. And then we're gonna do that. What's it called? Margin 0, auto margin top. Width 100%. Yeah, if you want to stick around for a bit, I can check that stuff out here momentarily. I also do want to start looking into like, because I've been doing things the vanilla way. If there's a way to simplify stuff, I'm all about it. Like, work smarter, not harder. I get you gotta learn the basics and shit, but if there's a way to simplify um, CSS, HTML, JavaScript that I can learn, I'm gonna, I'm down. So if you got any recommendations for kind of a beginner, um, yeah, we can momentarily. I'll let you know when. A few minutes from now. I wonder. Oh boy, I need to. All right, right on, dude. We'll certainly do that. Have a little business meeting, you know. I saw your in the Discord. That not Guido. The other person is. He's got a good point, by the way. But don't. I hope you're not thinking too much into it, like trying to figure out what it is. I think what he's trying to say is essentially make your own kind of class without being a teacher or instructor. So like, there's thousands of these services out there. I think that's. I'm pretty sure that's my understanding of what they mean. But I agree, people will still pay for it. But it seems like he's just trying to say like, uh, make like make a company that teaches people how to code. In a sense, a boot camp or something. It's kind of sounds like what he's talking about. So just didn't really name it correctly. At least that's my understanding of it. Can I do below like 5 pixels or something? No, that doesn't do anything. What is this cable under here? This chair keeps getting stuck on stuff. Wires and shit. Okay, I want to give each one of these an underline, so Right. Yeah. Isn't that kind of like how these things are though? Rather than like, I understand not really the lecture portion of it. Jimbo, what's up, dog? Like I assume Navy boot camp isn't anything like being out there on the seas. Well, yeah, yeah, that's a good point that you make, Jesus. It's not, um, but in a sense, it's not all lecture. So my understanding of it's a bit. I feel like I don't really know what coding boot camps really are. I kind of like guess what they are, I guess, and I feel like they're lectured and working on something like projects and whatnot. But if this person in the Discord was talking about if this person in the Discord was talking about work, I mean, I guess people would pay, but it has to be credible, you know, like I would imagine. I feel like this applies to any industry. It's kind of like an apprenticeship. That's kind of what I'm thinking of. Like if you want to be a plumber or welder or a pipe fitter or whatever, usually to get in this industry or that industry, you have to be an apprentice, meaning go to work for some years. But since it's coding, it's like probably not years worth. But that experience on some type of certificate or whatever would be viable for an employer to see. It's an interesting thing. So I guess thinking about it, rather than thinking about it like a boot camp or a job, it's more of an apprenticeship where it kind of is all of those things, but wrapped into that specific word. Anyway, you're looking at text underline looking for text underline offset. Didn't I try that? Or what was the other one? I did the other one. Let's try it. Text. Yeah, I was doing position. Okay. That made it thinner. I'm gonna look this up on my other browser. Text underline offset. Right. I mean, and that's why I mentioned Jesus, that's a good business practice for you if you were to do something like that. Teach people and then build a reputation and reputable. I guess reputation works there. Build a reputation, and then people that take your course or your apprenticeship or whatever it's called will then be able to kind of land jobs, and then at the jobs people will be like, well, oh, where'd you learn your skills at? Oh, I learned it from Jesus's fucking boot camp or whatever you want to call it or whatever it is or whatever it will be, and then you start building more reputation. It's an incredible business model, man. Like for real. I feel like if people know a skill really well, and you're taking a break from working in it as an actual job, teaching it will probably make you some money. For example, when like these team guys get out, right? Like SEALs, Navy SEALs or something, or SWCC or any other special operations, special forces, special warfare, whatever. When they get out of the military, a lot of these guys go the same route, and that route is private military contractor. I'm going to stay in the community as a government contractor and train future military personnel in special forces or special operations. Or I'm going to get out, start my own business as a kind of like a contractor, private security or something like that. Or train those people. So they pretty much stay in the same field, right? And they start their own business and they get super profitable. I feel like that should apply to everybody. Welders, electricians, you learn it. Tired of working in it, you teach it. It moves it away. As if you want to do that, of course. So text underline offset moves it away from the text. So well, what kind of, so if I say just 10 pixels, does it move it away, or does it look like it moved it away? It's gone, but I don't know where. Right, exactly. If you have knowledge, this is the thing about me. When I was in the Navy and I learned something and new people were coming in and my old friends were leaving, I had to train the new people, right? And I enjoy training people, like teaching. I enjoy teaching people things that I know about. Um, I used to want to be a teacher, but now I can't because it's not that I can't. I don't want to because fuck kids, they're assholes. But um, I enjoy teaching people. So like, if from my point of view, if you know something really well, you should definitely send it, man. Teach people, help people out. Even if it's not as a teacher or an instructor, just giving people little bits of knowledge here and there can make you feel real good. It went way under the last name field. Oh, you guys see this? I made the button, I was able to make the button use a hover effect and make the button display a little image when you hover over it. Pretty proud of myself for that. It went way under the last name field. I don't even see it anymore. So like, let's try 8 pixels to see if it comes back up at all. I'm not seeing it, man. It seems like it's just making it thinner. Okay, so here's it really does seem Jumbo, I'm not sure it seems like it's making it thinner. It doesn't look like it's moving it like down at all. Unless, can I do like down? No, offset. I'm gonna look it up. Do some research real quick. One moment, please. What is EM? This person's using 0.5 text underline offset 0.5 EM. Okay, so I should use EM, it looks like. I don't know what that means. It's some type of unit of measurement. So if I use point, so let's try this. That didn't do shit. Wait, okay, hold on. 0.5 EM. Oh, oops. That'll do it. Okay, so it's like, why is it disappearing though? It is moving it, but if you can you guys see that it's also making the line thinner? Hmm. I mean, it looks fine that way because you can see the letters. There's a little bit of an like space in between. EM is emphasis. Oh. Oh, I gotta sneeze. 1 second. Oh no. Mute, 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 mute. Oh, I did it just in time. EM is emphasis, correct. Whatever value EM is, you take the default times EM. So if default font size is 16 and you have 2 EM, it's 32. EM and REM are relative units that are based off font size. If the font size of the HTML element is 16 pixels, 1 REM is equal to 16. 2 is equal to 32. Like you said, multiply. EM works the same, but it's based on. Okay, but the thing is, I'm just trying to do the line. I'm not trying to do the text right now, at least not with EM. I'm trying to do the line, and so currently you can see right here. Spells is gum. Sorry, I'm chewing in you guys' ear. I didn't feel like doing my fake tobacco stuff today. At least right now. So direct parent of the element is being applied to. I also recommend using EM or REM over PX. Is that now, Jesus? Are you saying that about anything? Like your recommendation? So margin bottom, you recommend using EM over pixels? Emphasis over pixels? I kind of feel like the form is a little bit too far down. Can we go like 370? Oops. 300 looks just good. Just fine. Let's see how it looks in. Yeah, perfect. That's. I'll probably put like a header up here too. Okay. Well, let's. I guess point 2 emphasis is good for these lines. It does what I want it to do. It makes them smaller. And or rather moves them down just a tad. So we can do that for all of them, I think. Speaking of responsive design, hold on 1 second, because I'm trying to figure out how to fix this one problem I'm having on my landing page. Let's save this real quick. So, can you guys see this? You should be able to see this. Let me move myself out. Whoa, not that. Okay, so here we are. The problem is, a lot of things look good, but then there's this problem of this. Hey, you guys may have noticed this from previously watching, but like the text when fitting the screen of my device or my monitor or whatever, like this. Wait, you guys can't see it like it is. Hold on. Display. Okay. When it's like this. What am I trying to say? Lost my train of thought. when it's like this, it looks good, right? But the moment I bring her over, like so, the footer for some reason moves all the way up, and this div, this about me div, goes all the way down, and I don't know what the hell the problem is. Well, I know what the problem is. I just don't know how I would fix this. So let's hold on. Let me save this contact form stuff real quick. Index and index CSS. So about me text. This is all the small text here in the paragraph, I guess you could call it, is right here in the CSS file. Oh, let me take this out. I tried to fix it earlier. Is it because the picture's too large and the text is trying to constantly stay by it? If anybody knows why this is happening, let me know. The footer. Sorry about all the noise in the mic. Sultanas. Isn't that from World of Warcraft? Sultanas? That name sounds really familiar. Anyway, this footer. This is the footer. So if you see, this is right this area right here. This is my footer. When the display is like this, everything looks good. The text stays where it's supposed to. But when I try to shrink it to a smaller screen size or window size, the text starts to run into the footer and then beneath it. And the footer, technically, it seems like the footer is now moved up, and I don't understand why this is happening. You kind of see it happening live right here. The smaller the screen gets, the less space the text has. So is it like a div size of the text area here? If I make this larger, will it stay? Oh shit, Jesus. Are you still here? I gotta hop in that call real quick too. This is very interesting. I don't know why it's happening. I want to figure it out, but might have to be something I do later on. Ubuntu installing. Isn't that to install Linux? I remember my buddy when I was back in the Navy. My buddy installed Kali Linux on my computer, and then one day I like reset it or restarted or something, and it started loading up Windows again, and I never was able to figure out how to get back to Kali because I was no longer talking to him, or what was I trying to say? God damn it. We were no longer serving together. So here's the HTML for the about me. This is the whole section. So there's a picture of me. The whole thing is obviously within the div, the class, the H1. So this is what we're looking at. Yeah, I can make it larger if you need to see it. I really don't know what could possibly be going on. Footer's pretty straightforward. Just heading, header. And again, the CSS. I haven't done anything crazy. I'm thinking the footer might be something a little bit. Yeah, but I don't know. I might have to really look into and just fiddle fuck it later. It's a new term for y'all if y'all never heard about fiddle fucking. Okay, well Sultanas, don't even worry about it right now unless you think you know something about it. But I'm gonna just finish up here with this contact form and move on. I appreciate your concern though. Thank you. It's kind of the same thing with this page, right? I noticed this yesterday. I want these to I need to learn how to speak. I want to learn how to make pages more I think the term is reactive when I do things such as a larger or smaller window. This shouldn't happen. I don't want the logos to appear over the text box, the input boxes or anything like that. Exactly, responsive design. Got it. Look at the about me selector. Okay. About me. Oh, right. So this about me is the whole div. So remove the height. Well, shit. So I didn't have to specify how large I wanted this whole white area, this whole div to be. Jimbo, I'm telling you, man, thank you. That's pretty cool. Wow. Thank you, I appreciate that. That's I thought I really had to specify. I was doing the same thing. So no, without the height it will expand to the content. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so now here's another one. Actually, you know what? I want to figure that one out on my own later. The clock. When the clock is like zoomed in all the way like this, I want it to kind of go up a little bit. We gotta follow. Hold on. Sultanas, thank you for the follow, dog. I appreciate it. Welcome to the lounge, man. I don't know. It's not called the lounge. I just called it that just now. Appreciate the follow. Thank you. Okay, well that got fixed. Jimbo, thank you for that. I think your lounge is very fitting with the music. Dude, that's what I should call like the coding lounge or something like that. The programmer's lounge or I don't only just program stuff, but I game too. It's a lounge. Yeah, it's the lounge, dude. Maybe I'll start singing that. Welcome to the lounge. But the music does change. Sometimes I'll play lo-fi hip hop music. Sometimes I'll play like 80s like sounding synth wave music. Is it a lounge then? The schooly den? That sounds like I don't like I the schooly den. No, I appreciate the idea though. I mean, we could call it Schoolie's Lounge or something, right? How about this? When on days when we're playing jazz, we call it the lounge or Schoolie's Lounge or Marshall's Lounge or whatever. On days where we're not, we don't call it anything. You know what I mean? Different vibes, different levels. Today it's the lounge. Tomorrow probably won't be the lounge. It'll just be nothing. It's just welcome to my stream. Okay. Back to the. Thank you, Jimbo, once again for that. I appreciate that. I definitely will fiddle with that some more. Fiddle fuck that some more. So. Um. What was I gonna? Oh, we're going back to the contact form. Sorry. Okay. What do y'all think? It's got first name, last name, email, phone number. I think the general design of this is pretty much set for now. It can always be adjusted. Oh yeah, I was gonna put a. Oh, you guys can still see both windows, correct? Yeah, you can. Man, my camera is huge. Sorry, I didn't. Why didn't nobody tell me my camera was so damn big? It's like taking up the whole screen. um. What did I call it again? I just called it header, right? Yeah, header. Is it moving the whole page? I think it is. It definitely is. Okay, that's not gonna be it. Would it be padding at all? It wouldn't be padding. It'd be. I thought it would be margin. Hmm. Is there a way to change the placeholder color? So right now the placeholders are like gray. I want the page to look a little bit more sleek, like more just black and white, kind of. Not too much white though, or not, like I do want to get rid of this, and I might change this color too. But a simple page. So like this placeholder, please enter your first name. Is there a way to make that text? Why is Twitter? What is this? What is this doing down here? This shouldn't be here, right? Yeah, I don't think this is supposed to be here. Placeholder. Drink some water, y'all. Drink some water. Dude, a couple more weeks, y'all. 13 more days and I get to go see the ENT for my nose and my breathing. I'm so excited. Redeem hydrated. Exactly. You fucked your new computer and your old one? Uh-oh. Alright, don't mess it up too bad, man. So it's dot placeholder. Okay, it's a pseudo element or a pseudo class or okay. So I want to do something where okay, so let me go back. I would like to do something where you hover over the name or like the input box and the name or like the text will maybe disappear over the hover, kind of like this, with the submit button. Take my hat off. It's getting really hot in here. It's a hot day in Chicago. It's like 80 something, I think. You know what? So the input hover, placeholder, opacity 0. You can do opacity. All I didn't know you could do opacity. What I did here was I just made the font size over the hover 0 pixels. That's kind of the same thing, right? When I hover over the submit button, the font size of the word goes away. It's kind of the same thing. It's kind of a workaround of doing that. Would you agree, Jimbo? True. Okay, so input. Ooh, the lines go away too. I'm actually not mad about that. Okay. For now, honestly, y'all, I think I'm good. This is my contact page. There's no JavaScript behind it. I don't know if there needs to be until I make like the submit button or use the submit button for something. Should I put my Discord server on this? I probably should, right? No, they're okay. The links expire after 7 days. Never mind. Damn. Okay. Well, thanks. There we go. Let's see if there's any JavaScript I can do. Dates. Need to put dates on theirs? I don't know. Oh, you can? You'll have to teach. Send me a link on how to do that or something if you know, because looking at Discord currently, it says expires. Oh, wait. Edit invite link. Hold on. Ah. Okay, cool. That works. Max number of users. No limit. Okay, thanks. I didn't know. I should have just looked a little, literally looked one line down. I could have seen that. Man, I hate this chair. This is my dad's old game, like not gaming chair, but like PC chair. It's it fucking sucks. I used to have Shaquille O'Neal's Office Max chair. Paid like $500 for that thing. Leather. At the time, I was much larger. I was like 70 pounds heavier, so it was meant for big guys, right? It had the best back support ever. This chair sucks. It has no back support. I'm always leaning back. Ugh. Like if I could just sit like this the whole time, it'd be great. It's that this chair is encouraging me to slouch. You need that back support, man, as you get older. Like, and I have a bad back, and my whole body's all fucked up from the Navy, so it would be great. Yeah, you really do. That's why I just like lean back. Because although like it's kind of fucking with my neck doing this all day, but at least my back's not slouching. Just adding the Discord link in now. Have you guys watched the Wheel of Time on Amazon Prime? If you have it, it is pretty dope. I like it. I watched 7 of the 8 episodes last night when I should have been researching some stuff. Yeah, that's how it was for a while. I haven't watched TV in years, really. But recently I have. Dude, my nose is getting stuffed up for no reason, dude. Oh, it's so annoying. 13 more days. 13 more days. ENT appointment, baby. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna say, you better fix my fucking sinuses right now, because I've been dealing with this shit for half a year. Doctor pulls out a hot pocket, hot pocket, I think. Let's get it fixed. Dude, honestly, I've tried like spicy things to fix this. It does nothing. Apparently my mucous membrane inside my nose or my sinuses or whatever is still trying to fight COVID, you know? So the mucous membrane is like inflamed constantly, and sometimes throughout the day it gets more inflamed, like right now, versus, 30 minutes ago. So it's fucking annoying. Okay, there we go. We got the Discord, and that should take you to my Discord. Boom. Great. Okay. Well, that's the contact form. So now, when I have it to where if I were to have this open, click on this, click on contact, and it'll take you back. Ugh. Cool. Thanks for the help with that, y'all. I appreciate you being here while I make my project. So that project's done. That portion of a huge project. So now Okay, well, even if I did like the JavaScript for the submit button, I couldn't do it, right? Because I'd need like a server for it to communicate with. And oh, okay, gentlemen, I want to start looking into frameworks that I can start kind of, because I've been doing things vanilla, even if it's like Bootstrap, even if it's like the Bootstrap stuff, or Bootstrap for CSS, or I think there's another thing called Sass or something. I want to start moving forward so I can start getting better. I don't like being stagnant. Granted, I've been working on my contact form. I still feel like I've been a little stagnant. Yeah, most people just use contact form service. Okay. Well, for now, this is just kind of like constructing it and working on it getting better. So we'll look into that some other time, but thank you. I do want to start learning, like I want to keep moving. I haven't looked at lectures in a while. So like I was telling Jesus earlier, Jimbo, my plan has been, I wanted to get into coding, so I started learning Python. And I started learning Python, right, and I was like, okay, this is kind of cool. The overall concept of coding, I think, is really cool. But Python itself was like, bleh. I didn't like it that much. Then HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript. And then I want to start learning. I want to keep using those, but I want to also start learning like things that make doing those, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, easier for me. And also help me increase my skill level. So any advice, any like frameworks that you use or recommend, or kind of things that you recommend starting? And by frameworks, if there's something out there that's not a framework that you also recommend, that's just kind of helpful, or I should look up, let me know. So Vue and Sass. All right, hold on one second. Let me see. Syntactically awesome style sheets. I watched a video yesterday and this was in there. It, like, uses dollar signs or something, right, to call it. And Vue. Is Vue similar to Angular and React? Oh man, it's lunchtime, dude. Holy shit, it's already 2 o'clock? Oh boy. Alright, let's order some lunch here. Yeah? Okay. So it's just kind of a personal preference thing? I mean, I have no, like... Alpha, what's up, homie? Hey, thanks for stopping by. I actually, Oh, Alpha, dude, what did you think about that? Is anybody in here who plays Nintendo games or is interested in Nintendo? What did y'all think of that Nintendo, Direct, I think it's called, or whatever? The only thing I'm remotely looking forward to is Zelda. Everything else, Harvest Moon 2, because I used to play that when I was a kid. Sass added things like using a dollar sign to make variables. Holy shit, we got 5 viewers. What's up, everybody? I know 3 of y'all, at least. I'm only looking forward to The Legend of Zelda. And even then, it was a very boring teaser. It looked like they included one new possible puzzle mechanic. Okay, so the recommendations here are Sass for my CSS, Vue, and is there something for HTML? It shouldn't be, right? HTML is pretty straightforward. I'm sorry for my breathing. It's my sinuses are really stuffed right now. I also was curious about TypeScript. I know that's something I can ask Jesus about for certain. We can do that offline though. Okay, what should I do now? I guess I could push all this stuff up to GitHub. Let's see. I want to put these files inside of a folder as well. So bear with me while I do that. Then we'll push this new version of the website up to GitHub. View HTML. Oh, I'm sorry, Alpha. Reminds you of Kirby. Dude, I've never played a Kirby game. Never had any interest in it. Never, never, never. I know nothing. I know about Kirby and his little powers or whatever. He can eat, kind of like eat stuff and turn into stuff. But other than that, why won't this file move over? Oh, you know what? Because I have code open. I need to close code real quick. Sorry. 1 second. Okay, now we could open again. Yeah, any recommendations from anybody who's got experience in this stuff, who thinks that there's something out there that's a little easier or what have you, or good to know, kind of help expand my knowledge and whatnot, let me know. I'm currently trying to figure out why my VS Code will not open. There we go. Okay. So we've made some major changes. Or not major, but some minor changes. 15.1. The media zip has also changed now I think about it. Actually, no, that hasn't changed. Has this changed? This hasn't changed. Jimbo, no worries. Thanks for stopping by, man. Take care of your business. There you go, man. Happy to hear that. Okay, so is there a way I'm gonna open up Git Bash. Sultanis, welcome back. I'm not really learning anything now. We have the one moment, I'm sorry. I'm using okay. I'm trying to use Git Bash. I'm gonna push all of these to my GitHub. because I haven't. I like keeping. I love using GitHub for like previous versions, so I can look back at them. So like all my commits are here from 1.5, all of that stuff. Use your VS Code source control UI. Oh yeah, I forgot I installed something like that. Let me what I'll do is I'll use that for my calculator that I've been working on. And I like using Git Bash actually. I understand that there's one in there though. Probably use that for my calculator though to see, because I completely forget about that even existing. It's like right here, I think. Yeah. I don't even, does it know? I guess it does know because I did link it to the GitHub, and it can tell what's been deleted or. I guess we could try it out. Fuck it. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, real quick, y'all, let me order some lunch. I'm sorry. I keep forgetting. It's already 2 o'clock. I haven't eaten out like in a while. Gonna use the old DoorDash. I'm thinking Chipotle, but I kind of want something sweet. So maybe Subway and I'll get like a cookie. But Chipotle would be. Definitely get on that, yeah. Need to eat, man. You know what? It's Thursday. I could get me a pizza. That way, I'll have it for. Is today Thursday? Today is Thursday, right? Yeah, it is. Pizza will make me too sleepy. You know what? We're gonna do Panera Bread. I freaking love Panera Bread. They're expensive as hell, but they're worth it, dude. Okay. Dude, I cannot breathe out of my nose very well. This sucks. Okay, lunch is ordered. Let's go, baby. Okay. So, Jesus, use the VS Code source control UI, right? That's what we're in. Is there a way to like select multiple? Should be like shift, right? Yeah. We'll do a tester. Um, I want to do a tester before I do this with my. Take a look. Make sure y'all can see what I see. Y'all cannot see what I see. I'm sorry. Why is this? There we go. Sorry about that. I didn't know y'all couldn't see my other side of the screen. I actually have Gitlins. So like I haven't really used it, but let's say we want to open I had it open before. I don't remember how to. I don't know. Either way, what was I doing? Kind of lost my train of thought there. I really spaced out while I was reading this stuff. Why is it red? Is changes not allowed? See, I usually do it in Git Bash. Um, yeah, something I just like. I'm gonna do Git Bash. No, I didn't look through the whole thing. I got distracted. I'll have to look at it in a little while. I got a lot of things going through my mind right now. I'll even email this to myself or send it to myself in disk. I have a in my Discord. I have a my own thing for me just to send myself that I find my own private chat or whatever. Oh, it does. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of just gonna do it this way for this at least, and then like maybe when I do my calculator, we'll do it that way. Excuse me for making so much noise in the mic still. So let me get this straight. So we have yeah, I do. It's just this mic picking up everything. Oh. Why won't this? So this is good practice because this is my first time trying to add a page through Git Bash. Why did they make a new one? Oh, you know what? Again, sorry. It's the naming. I can't name it with spaces, I don't think. We're almost done here. Then I'm gonna probably just take a break. Hop in a call with Jesus in a little while. Jesus, how's your server stuff coming, bro? Three keyboards on. Wow, I got one. Just one, and I would like to keep it that way. Unless it's like a laptop or something. Okay. Let's try this again. It won't let me rename stuff. It says I have it open somewhere else. Oh, I do. It's open in this. Ah, damn it. Okay, let's try this again. A vid. Oh, oops. I'll check that out in a little bit. I just keep forgetting I just turned on display. Okay, thanks for sharing that. I just, you know, you gotta be careful with Discord. Okay, so oh yeah, Axe Copfire, I think his name is, or Axe Fire. Yeah, I like that guy. He's pretty cool. Okay, we should be good to commit these changes. Dude, Factorio will be fun as hell with multiple people. Please, if he's, is he in your Discord or are you in his? Let me know. I would love to. So let's see if this works. My thing is I don't want it to have all these files fucking up everything. I would love to play Factorio with someone. It After playing it by yourself for a while, it gets really boring. Why is this here? Shit. So rather than pushing it through, as soon as I committed it in I don't like that because I changed it. Can I delete that? Yeah, Jesus, if anybody in yours wants to join mine and vice versa, I don't care. As well, like I basically have mine now for data storage for myself and things I can send myself, kind of like an email. I've been using an email, but I'd rather use Discord. Um, and sharing knowledge and information. So feel free to invite people to mine, and if you want me to share your link in mine, I can invite you theirs to yours, and so on. I don't have many people in mine, but make a nice little network of people, man. It could come in handy one day, you know what I'm saying? Okay, real quick, we have an extra commit that I did not mean to make. Yeah, I used to actually have one of those, simple, not for devs, but like in my old Discord when I used to stream and make YouTube videos pretty consistently. I had a channel for people to post themselves if they wanted. Jesus, we can make some moves, man. Let's talk about it sometime. I want to delete this particular commit. Oh, you're good. I'm saying whenever I used to have something like that, a channel in my old Discord, kind of like that, for people that were streamer friends to promote themselves. Sometimes I would promote them too. Um, I said we can make some things happen, dude. We can make some moves. We just got to talk about it. Like my Twitter bio says, I'm all for networking and learning. I'm all for it. I do want to delete this commit, and I have the hash, the commit, I think the commit hash, I think it's called. I changed the name of the folders, that's why I don't want this in here anymore. My Panera bread has been picked up. Um, I was saying that I used to do something like that in my old Discord where people could promote their streams, YouTube channels, or whatever. But that was back when I had a Discord when I used to stream and make videos myself. But yeah, I said we can make some moves happen, man. We can make some great things happen. Just gotta talk about it, dude. You gotta. And then I said something like, I'm all for networking and learning. I love networking with people, especially if they're more senior, because it helps me, and at some point, eventually, it can help that other person. At some point. I'm currently trying to figure out how to delete one of these commits. One of the commits in that I made through that fucking VS Code, I didn't know it would actually push it. It actually pushed it. I thought I had to push it. Get revert tech strategy resolve and the commit. So the commit was I forgot you can't. Oh my god. Why won't this paste? Oh, quick rebase. Remove only a specific commit. Why? Why isn't this working? Think I need a break, y'all. Food should be here soon anyway. I don't understand why that won't copy and paste. It's so weird. I don't think cherry pick is a thing. Y'all see what I'm seeing? I copy something. It doesn't paste it. I think yeah. I think I need a break. I'm getting frustrated with this. Control Shift V and Git Bash. I don't think that'll work. Yeah, no. Get back in the Get Bash like terminal, you can't actually do that. I've tried. I looked it up. You have to do it like this. Unless you know a way, because I've tried. So like for example, copy that. What it does is if I do Control V, it gives me that. It's something to look into. I'm sure there's a way for me to delete. Yeah. So this is what I'll do. I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm gonna game it up, get some lunch here delivered momentarily. Made some progress today. Worked really well. Worked on my contact form. I think the next thing to do is to kind of brainstorm what I want to do next, and I think it should be something with some of these frameworks or something. Start learning that stuff. So, Jesus, send me a message later. A couple hours from now is cool. Hour from now is fine. If you wanna talk, brainstorm, or get some ideas about stuff to use like frameworks and whatnot. Alright, Alpha, thanks for stopping by, bro. Appreciate it. Hope everything's well with you. Yeah, y'all take it easy. I'm getting winded over here and frustrated. So, much love. Thanks for stopping by to the lounge. Yeah. Peace and love, y'all. Take it easy. If y'all stream later, I'll try to stop on in. Take care.